Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy you guys are here. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I was near my Burlington store, so I decided to stop in. I was also requested a while back to come visit, so I thought it was overdue. This is a short and sweet shop with me. So first off, I saw that they have lots of cute kitchen towels, and look at these by Martha Stewart for the people that are already thinking ahead like I am for summer or anything. These are $6.99. so they do have some matching oven mitts. These are $7.99. so I decided to get some for a friend, but I'll see if I get some for myself. I also saw these for $4.99. They come in different colors, and they also have lots of blankets spread out throughout the store. These are $12.99, $14.99. Look at this pink one with the bunnies. These are super cute. I did find a lemon blanket for those that are looking for one. This one has lots of bunnies and flowers. Here's another one that's a little bit more subtle in color. Over here, I found these ceramic baskets. They look like some Raydon knockoffs. These are $5.99. It also comes in yellow. Over here they have some bunnies. These are a hot pink, $6.99. The arrangements are $14.99. They have some grass bunnies for $5.99. These critters, which can be expensive, over here at Burlington, they are $14.99. Here's another bowl. This one is $5.99. That arrangement with the tulips, $9.99. And then I saw this bunny with lots of flowers, $12.99. I thought this one was pretty. It has some tulips. This one's $14.99. They have different sized pink bunnies, $7.99. This bunny shelf sitter is $10.99. They do have the snow globe, $9.99. The matching plates with the bunnies are $7.99. Over here, look at this pretty blue, $4.99. This birdie over here. They do have these balls. This size is priced $4.99. Lots of gnomes and other cute things over here. They have some gnomes for $8.99. The bunnies are priced $12.99. Those are either white or brown. And then look at these bunnies that look like Raydon as well. They are $9.99 in different colors. The yellow bunny here is $5.99. It feels like suede. This riser did not have a price. Hop, I thought was pretty for $5.99. It also comes in yellow. This bunny is actually $9.99. And in the back, I see $10.99. More gnomes, $5.99 for these right here with the plaid hats. They do have these cute ones for $10.99. Over here, they do have some blankets also. Again, the same prices, $10.99. I think the most expensive is $14.99. I thought this one was really cute. This gnome over here is $12.99. They have lots of arrangements for $16.99. Do you guys remember this salt and pepper shaker that I shared in my haul and used to decorate with me? They did restock them for $4.99. And look what they added. They added this cute bunny with the flowers. They also have some gnomes. This arrangement is actually $11.99. Can you guys believe Easter is literally this weekend? Oh my goodness. I wanted to point out these bunnies. They have the cutest outfits. So nice. These are $12.99. This bunny here is $8.99. It has a yellow heart or that peach color with the metal ears. Happy Easter, 15. The arrangement's 15. They have a cross that says He is risen for $6.99. It also comes in all brown. Down here, I found these bunnies that were a little different. Love the flowers, $7.99. And then they have these gnome signs. These are $5.99. Egg hunting season is $4.99. They do have some pillows. This is a set of 3 pillows. Pink, blue, yellow, $24.99. And look, they do have more blankets over here. This one's very neutral, $10.99. The gnomes with the Easter eggs. Again, I did really like this one with the chicks and the eggs. Welcome bunny with the rainbows. Here is the sign with the beads, $3.99. Welcome every bunny. They also have it in this color, which we have, been seeing here and there. Let the hunt begin, same price. The gnome is also the same price as the ones we saw a few seconds ago. Okay, I just wanted to see if this one's the same price, and it is $9.99. The tulips are $12.99, by the way. I thought these vases were interesting. They have different shapes. They are $10.99. And all of these bowls down here are $7.99. Now, I really liked this decor piece, blessed with the cross. It looks like an arc window, super cute. $9.99. I truly did like this one. Easter blessings with the cross there at the top. Love the shade of blue. This one is priced $4.99. Faith makes all things possible. Bless our home. This is our happy place. These are $4.99. We're starting to see more of the wedding themed items. I found this sign with the lemons. Home Sweet Home, $5.99. Mr. and Mrs. is $5.99. Here's another sign, blessed today and always. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes, $4.99. It has a baby breath little bunch there. Now, I thought these hand towels were super cute. I kind of regret leaving them because they did feel fluffy. I don't know. Maybe if I go again, if I see them, I'm gonna get them. They're so cute. Here are more hand towels. These pretty much are the same price across the board. Usually the Disney ones are a little bit more expensive, but I did find the cutest Thumper towels. Here they are. Oh my goodness. Hello Spring. I love Thumper. This is from Bambi if you haven't watched the movie, although I think everyone has watched Bambi. $5.99. Welcome Spring with the pink truck, etc., etc. Here is another set of the hand towels from the same brand, $8.99. Some table covers, $12.99 here at Burlington. Now I did see this long, tall porch sign, Happy Easter. It does have a pretty flower. This one is $17.99. Over here, if you're into the neutral, look at these vases or vases, $7.99. They do have these pillars. Some are $6.99. Some are $5.99. They do have some matching balls. This is actually $5.99, and then the balls are $4.99. They have some signs. I couldn't find a price. I did a poll and I did get lots of comments that you guys are now going to be looking out for Mother's Day items. Look at this sign here, $7.99. They do have lots of arrangements for $12.99. Look at the lavender. And some of the lemon items are starting to come through as well. Same price. They do have some plastic items. This pitcher is actually $6.99. They do have some single cups. Those are $2.99. They do have this set, $9.99. Honestly, this is things we see every year. They do have the bowls again for $4.99. They have these trays with the compartments. Again, same price. Some bowls, etc. However, I did want to point out this arrangement. Look at this. It looks very realistic, like weighed down, and I don't know. It looks like it's been under the weather. $16.99. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick shop with me here at Burlington. I hope you all have a blessed spring break and Holy Week if you are, religious. Thank you guys so much for watching. A big virtual hug. Goodbye.